Hey guys, so I am outside right now. My name's Annabelle and I'm about to start the camper build. I have this abrasive chop saw out and I'm about to hopefully chop some tubing. I have no idea if I can or will be able to, but this is the beginning of an awesome adventure. I just really want to watch it.
Quarter of an inch.
Because it's really loud and sparks fly. I'm not so... I think I've taken all precautions.
Are you supposed to be having your mask on for this as well?
Was that scary for you to watch?
I mean... Look like the table's about to go up in flames.
Seriously? It is cold. Gotta build the house sometime. You ready? No. I think this is made for a right-hander. What do you think?
I don't know how that paper didn't just catch on fire.
So, been pretty successful here. It's only slightly scary. Not as bad as I thought though, so that's great. I'm gonna cut this again. I wish I could show you guys, but my sister's watching through the window eating some pizza. Okay, wait, safety first. They're Stephens. I don't think he's gonna want them. They're not Ray-Ban, are they? I'm just warning you, they're already black. Well, I mean, my hands are still pretty black. Alright, so I finished the cuts for today. I have 10 1-inch pieces and I have 5 13-inch pieces that I'm going to try to bend now. So we'll see how it goes. I just want to kind of clean up the mess I've made, put this back in my tiny house, and then get the bender out here. Alright, so I have my tube roller here, and there's some pieces that I just have to set up, I think. Ow! What I just did here was I opened the roller thing here so that I can fit the tubing through it. I figured out the machine, so let me just show you what's going on right now. So we have the two things that I loosened and then made the correct width for the tubing. Then I have this center thing that moves, up and down with this thing on top. And then I have the exact same thing over here, and it's lifted a little bit because the, oh gosh, on the tripod just doesn't work because the thing is resting there, but I'm going to take it off there in a second. So basically how I'm going to bend it is that you lower this down, and obviously the lower it goes, it's going to have a bigger bend to it. I need you know, to curve all the way around. So I'm gonna go ahead and go like this, lower this down, see what happens. This is really a two-person job, or this needs to be screwed down to a table. It's really what needs to happen, but I can't really tell if it's the proper like curve, so I'm gonna have to take it off and measure from one end to the other and see if it's 8 feet. If it is, then I can do the next one. Otherwise, I've got to keep working on the curve more. Hey guys, so I'm in my tiny house right now, and I think I'm done for the day. It was the first day of actually building, and it felt super good to get my abrasive chop saw working. I was surprised that I got it you know, all curved first try. Not that I, you know, shouldn't be able to do that, but I was just kind of expecting that maybe I'd have to throw away the first piece just because I didn't know how to do it, but it was successful, so that's super great. I'm hoping to do more building tomorrow. If you guys want to stay up to date on everything that's happening, because I know that anytime I post a video, I lose a good amount of people and then gain, you know, more than what I lost back. But I think part of what I am unsure of how to do is to incorporate all the interests that I have. So some of you guys, you know, find a travel video I made, and then all of a sudden you guys subscribe to my channel and you see me, like, you know, messing around with wood and metal stuff. Or there's people who came for my tiny house and now are like, why are you vlogging and telling me about your life and what's going on? So it's kind of always been my challenge, and I hope to one day to get to a point where I'm just kind of sharing my life on a more daily basis, and so everything makes more sense. But for now, that's not it. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to see this build, and there will be other things. But also subscribe to my newsletter, because I do a weekly newsletter, and then I also do a 3-Bullet Thursday, which is a play on Tim Ferriss's 5-Bullet Friday, which is just 3 things that either something I'm reading, I'm eating, something I'm using, a quote I'm pondering, that kind of stuff. So it's just a little snippet into my life through the emails that I will leave all the information below. I still have to figure out how to use the welder, and so right now, you know, I probably have about 40 more minutes of bending to do on another day, but then once that's done, I'm really ready to weld, and so I'm gonna have to watch a few YouTube videos to figure out how that works. Yeah, part of the reason that I'm also stopping is that I'm really unsure how healthy this is, because my hands kind of feel like I don't even know what to say. They just they feel like they've been working pretty hard, I guess. I don't know. They feel really dry and kind of toxic, and I probably should have been wearing gloves. But you live and learn, right? So I'll see you guys in another video. I hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, I'll see you super duper soon. Ah!